share one super easy recipe to braise the beef tendon and the red fingers. Put in the cool water and ginger, cooking wine. Take out the dirties. After boiling 5 to 10 minutes, take them out. The soup don't throw. Later we use it to braise the beef. The seasoning also very easy. Skewer meat seasoning, 1 pack, through whole paste. Very nice. And quite salty lah, don't need to put other things ready. Little soy sauce. Hot soup. Actually the soup don't need to cover the beef. A little bit dark soy sauce for the color. Okay, that's it. Pressure cooker. I set it at 35 minutes.
2 hours later.
Done. Let's see how was it. Ooh, super nice. Let's try the super easy recipe. Y'all go and try it. Very nice. Actually, every time I cook a lot, after cool down, I put them in a Ziploc bag. And the soup also. I'll show you how to seal them. Then the air gone, seal it. This one keep in the freezer. Then up to 1 month will be no problem. In the next video, I'm going to share with you how we use the beef to cook with the noodle. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.